COVID, coronavirus, vaccine, ventilator. What's with all these words with the V sound all of a sudden? The V sound is a sound that many of my students say is difficult to pronounce. Probably because there's not a V in Thai language. But with a few tips and tricks today, you'll be able to say the V sound just like a native speaker. Guaranteed. And today is a special lesson because I'm going to concentrate on the words that you will hear and want to use at the moment during the COVID period. Wow! First, the theory. To make a V sound, you don't need to open the mouth too much. But what you do need to do is you need to bite your bottom lip. So your top teeth are going to touch your bottom lip.
Really?
In fact, some teachers say it helps if you think about sticking out your front two teeth over the top of your bottom lip. V. V. It looks a little bit like this animal, which actually in English is called a beaver. Now, if you still don't like making the V sound, have a go making the F sound.
Yes.
Because most people find this sound to be easier. And the good news is that the position of the lips and the position of the mouth is exactly the same. You make the V sound and the F sound. So what's the difference?
I don't know.
Well, actually, the V sound, we need to use our vocal cords. It's what we call a voiced consonant sound. Whereas the F sound, everything's the same, but this time we don't use our vocal cords because this is an unvoiced consonant, which means the sound is just the air coming out of our mouths. Let's look at some examples and you can repeat after me if it helps you. Let's look at some words that begin with the letter V. Virus, video, visor, via. You can learn English at school via satellite. And the V sound can also be found in the middle of many words. For example, COVID, 7, 11, travel. It's not a good idea to travel right now unless it's really necessary. Novel. You may have heard novel coronavirus. Novel as an adjective just means new. Avoid. Avoid unnecessary journeys because they may be dangerous. And the V sound can also be the final sound in many words. For example, glove. I need to wear gloves so I can keep my hands clean. Sleeve. If I have to cough, I should cough into my sleeve. Wave. Well, I could wave to say hello or goodbye, but also we need to be careful that there's not a second wave of the coronavirus. Save. Well, we want to save lives, and both save and lives finish with the V sound. Let's do a comparison so you can hear me make the real difference between words with V and words with the F sound. Vast. There's a vast area of the world infected with coronavirus. Fast. The virus spreads very fast. Save.
safe. Stay safe, save lives.
Sea view. Curfew. Try not to use the W sound, the W sound, when you're speaking English words that contain the V. The W sound is made by a small circle shape with our lips. We call it the kissing shape. Jup, jup, W. And it's quite different than the sound that we want from V. To demonstrate, let's look at 3 pairs of words.
Yes.
Visor, wiser, vest, west, veil, whale. Okay, so that's the end of my special lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. What sounds in English do you find difficult? I'd like you to vote and tell me which sound you'd like me to help you with next. Thank you for joining in today. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again very soon, but for now, bye-bye.